Welcome to Grapevine and Prospector Trail. There's a large parking lot here with restrooms. The trail starts quietly, just sand, gravel, sagebrush, and the sound of your own footsteps. But before long, those red rock domes rise up out of the desert, and it feels like you've stepped into another world. You're not far from civilization here. Highway I-15 is just a red stone's throw away, but the scenery will make you forget how easy it was to get here. There are some ups and downs, but nothing too drastic. Mostly sand and gravel and some rocks. Then you will take a hike through an area with nothing but slickrock. Good hiking shoes will be helpful here. And it's not just red stone scenery. There are basalt rocks strewn everywhere. There was even this boulder lodged in the waterfall, worn in the sandstone. Then there are the amazing examples of erosion throughout the landscape, creating the fantastical shapes in the red sandstone. Lovely to see.